Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Teach Me English. This is Giovanelli. In this tutorial I'm going to explain in all details how to use the formal titles or nouns which are Mr., Mrs., Miss and Ms. So let's get started. Mr. So the letters M are abbreviated from the word Mr. For example, I'll say Mr. Bean. So we are using Mr. for masculine, and in this case it doesn't tell us the marital status. While in Mrs. I'll say Mrs. Jones. It refers to a married woman. Miss Jessica refers to an unmarried woman. Ms. For example, Ms. Anne. So we use Ms. in case we do not have any information about the marital status. This is all about Mr., Mrs., Miss and Ms. Thank you very much for watching my videos on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe into my channels on social media to get more videos.